Hi guys, I just back and I will going to today how to set up to your transmitter for your normal flying and 3D flying is very important, guys. So we have to do, but first I'll let you know, my viewer just tell me my the stabilizer blade is not right way, and he was right, because when I was doing the video must be after, but in the video it is okay. When you following this video you don't need to do anything, but yes, the last video I was wrong, so I just nothing to do. You need to just little lose this one, and as everything is fine, and make sure do not see, just like that I have to do. Alright, I just turn around, put in the label and do it. And I want to say to my viewer, he was amazing. Thank you so much for just noticing, because in the brain sometimes so many things, to cover. So thank you so much. So yep, just I want to turn this one, don't tight too much. Alright, and good. So I'm going to close this one for you here, make a more so you can see. Okay, every transmitter have a same type of things to do. So what we go is called, first we're going to do the pitch curve. Okay, so you need to go to the pitch, and now we'll go to the first throttle curve. Okay, so you can see the throttle curve, you click on it. Alright guys, I'll try to make you understand. See, my eyes is blinking because I put the light on, but still I'll try to help. Alright, because you guys need to see. This is the normal, this is stand mode. So that's the normal fly you want, and this is the stand mode was the bottom. All right, and see, when you flick these gears here, they change. So see my arrow. Okay, so if we go to the normal mode, all right, normal mode, see, from here you starting, see, you can see there's this is normal hold. Okay, can you see this here numbers? So that's the 0, and then there will be your 25% power up, and then if we go to this is here on the middle will be 50%, and that will goes to here in your 100%. Okay, so that's the normal is nice, because your spin, the motor spin start with the 0 and then go speed up, speed up, speed up, and it goes to the 100. Alright, so we were happy with that, so leave this one is like that, you don't need to do anything. Alright, now we go to the stand mode. Alright, see here, click it. Now you can see the position, have a look. This is called position here. So if I move, see 50, so watch, lower 20 will be 25%, you can see here, middle will be 3, 50%, 4 will be 75, and H is the high. Alright, and when I move the cursor you can see it, you can see this the moving. Alright, so that's the 0%, and then is hold on 100% here. So in the 3D setup you need on here 50%, so I can move the things, you can see here is a 50%, but this side will also you need to change, because this is 20%. So when you do the 3D, if you push back it has to be go more power, not lose your power, otherwise your heli is going to drop, because your heli is flying upside down and you're doing roll and maneuvers. So what do? We get this one to 75%. Okay, this is 75%. Okay, now if you go down, so what we'll do after your throttle this way will give you the more power, but still you want more power until you get down. You don't want to come after 75 here and then you cut down your throttle because it's dropped to the 0. Okay, so now again you go to the 0. Now you need to go to the stand mode, still we are, and then go to the lower case, see is 0. Now you can boost this one to 100 straight up. So see my curve, 100%. Okay, isn't it? Okay, so there's the low, have a look, is the V size. Okay, so now you can see when my throttle here is a 50% of the spin you're getting. All right, 50% of the spin you're getting, and then if my throttle go up, your heli is going up and you're getting 100%. But from here where your heli is upside down, now your pitch, remember your pitch, when you get down will get negative pitch and will give you your spin will not stop. Your spin will from here again you go backwards will be 100% on the bottom. So even you can do with this one, go 90. So you can 90 divide all right, divided by or multiple by 4. So always remember, so 90, then you can put like 72 and then 47 and then 37 like that, and 22 like that. Okay, so always divide it between 4. Whatever you do is all about you set how you want to set it. So that's your curve set. So always remember this one here. Okay, we go to the high position. I'm already done this, so we get it out. Oops, leave it this 100. Okay, we go to the list throttle curve. Okay, so now, okay, now I back here. I was just the throttle lock before. That was the throttle hold. I can't show you. So when I press this gear button, you can see this one here. All right, this one here. Now while you flying and you press this button, I can do it. You can see there's the normal arrow is here. You can easily see it. And then when you're flying and you want to go to the 3D mode, you just flick this one, and that will change to your 3D position what you set up. After that you change to the 3D position, this will come down for 100, from here 50 and then go 100. Okay, now we go to, that's your throttle system setup for your flying. Okay, for 3D. Now that your curve is done, now we go to get it out from here, guys. And now I'm going to pitch. Okay, all right, always remember, when again same gears, you work for pitch as well. So you can see in the bottom is a normal arrow there. Switch up, it goes to the stand mode. Okay, so stand mode, pitch, how these things work. Okay, now you can see from here, that's your 50%. I get the pitch negative because see your arrow is like that, and your arrow is up. from here the 50 will your pitch go positive. All right, as people do think, I don't know, a lot of things people do differently, and you know, and I don't know, I can't explain. I mean, for me, I what I do, see, there's the same. You can click on the positions. Okay, you on the we are on the normal setup. You on the lower now. Watch. So lower position is here, and then second you go more up, and then third and fourth and 5 from 50%, because we go up, so we don't worry about the from 50%. Have a look. This is the my 50%. Okay, you can see it in the my middle. What I do, I don't want any moment in the normal flying. I like to zero pitch until my throttle goes to the 50. So what you do, you go to the lower position. Here you see number 1, you can see it. Okay, lower position, and what you do, you put 50%. I mean, we go for 47. All right, okay, first we'll go to 47. Not hang on. Yep, I will go for 45. Will give me just a little bit before I reach the 50%. So you go this one, 45. Okay, and now see, this is my looking horizontal, but it's not right. And now we go to the second position. I still am normal. Click this here, and then this one you can make 50. See, there's the 50%. Okay, so see, not I'll go 50. Okay, yeah, just all right. 50 is not bad. So what it does, between, it just give me a little bit more when I get in the 50. It just, so what will happen, guys, I'll show you now. Now you can see from here you get negative, but before from here you start getting pitch. Okay, so it will give you a little bit more stability in your you know, you're ready to go. That's all it's about. So have a look. You can push this one, you can see my hand, and you just move around. So it does great job. You can check. Same way we go back to the stand mode. Okay, in stand mode you can see I'm there. Okay, because it's selected, it's not okay. So in stand mode you don't need to change anything, because you want to, when you down up, you want to 100% pitch, I mean 0 pitch in negative, and then goes on to the 50, and then goes on to 100 up there. So you don't, I basically don't change, you just keep this line like that. Don't worry, just make sure, go and check it is look like. So what will happen from here will be start 0. Can you see that? 0, and then it goes to second one 25, 50, and then 75, because from here you're positive. So here, from here on the middle you positive, and from here in negative. So you give it the negative moment. So don't change anything there. So now this was your pitch and curve setup. All right, so we get it out from here and check it does work. Okay, so you go, I'm going to list. Oops, come on. Okay, done. Oh no, get out. Okay, list. So now I'll be get out. All right, here now, guys, so let's check it out. All right, so I'm going to check it because I don't trust the, how to say to you, the throttle lock. So I will, before check, always remember I'm going to take the motor wire, at least 2 of them off. Okay, so we can work nicely without any headache. So you do understand what I'm talking and how things work. Okay, so let's, okay, so I did it, put the power on, after power on. Okay, so let's check how things work. You can see, alright, I'll leave this one here very close for you so you can see. Oh, hang on, oops, just alright, I'll put here. So that's the mic pitch, okay, which one were we talking about before. We'll make a little bit closer for you so you can see more great videos. Okay, here we go. So we setup was on the normal mode. I put my throttle, always remember, because I put the throttle on, then you can see in demonstrations, if I throttle is on, we'll go back. Okay, we'll go back. See, this my throttle is on. It doesn't work. Okay, it will not off. You go everywhere. Have a look. You know, you got it. So that's the reason I have to put the throttle off on. So and it took the battery, I mean plug wire off. So okay, so now see the demonstrations how things work. You don't check. You can check at home. Make sure take the wire off. I tell 3 times right now. It's a danger. So take the wire, 2 wire off your motor. Then you check this way, please. Thank you. Okay, so you can see that's the my. Go back a little bit. All right, hopefully enough. Okay, you can see this are my pitch, the normal. When we set the normal pitch, we say to him, you do not move after middle throat. Okay, so see, if see, I put on the bottom, I start my helicopter going up, but it's not moving. But I set up for the 45. You can see this was a 45, and then you can put, but after 50% exactly, it will start pulling up. Ooh, can you see that? Yes. And after 50% down, it doesn't work anything. Have a look. But in the 3D, leave on the middle, and we flick the 3D up. Watch. Oh, up. Okay, now you can see when I put the throttle down, it should go down, and from here is already positive. So watch. You can see it. Have a look. You see, working on the bottom, working on the top. So that's the way the 3D work, guys. And exactly throttle after you put speed, you know, after you put the ideal mode to the 3D, when you push your throttle, the spin will go faster, like 100, like a top. And that's why when you fly helicopter upside down or inward, you hold, because it's a negative pitch and give you the hold for the helicopter. So that's why you can see now again put down. From here nothing work, but on the top, if I put the 3D mode up, should work. So that's where you guys set up for the 3D mode and normal mode in the transmitter. If any question, please ask. I'll try to answer for you, and next video will be very surprised, because do you know what, I'm going to fly a first test for you guys, and hopefully we have a successful test. All right, and then I we'll see, because I don't have a I'm going to put in the 450 landing gear. I don't have the 250 landing gear, but see how it goes. So this was the fully setup, and I hope you enjoy all my videos. If you like, just click on the subscribe button, and I'll keep posting the video for this flying video as well, and you can subscribe for me. Thank you so much. If anybody can get help for this, that's enough for me. Thanks.